So this is the database management system lab 1. So in this lab, we are gonna manage the tables using the data manipulation language, data control language, and the transaction control language. So the first thing is that we are gonna create a new table. So the name of the table will be user. So we'll enter the command in the SQL plus, which is insert into, then followed by the name and the attributes that we have to insert. So after entering those commands, as you can see, the row is created. So next we are going to view the table that we have created. For that, we have entered the command select star from user name. So whenever we enter the command select star followed by the name that we have given to our table, it prints everything that there is in the table. So we have already created a user name table. So we are going to update the email address inside that. So for that, we are using the command update followed by the name that we have given to the table and the attributes. So here the attribute is email is equal to the email address we have given. So after entering the command, we are viewing this whatever we have saved in the table. Next thing is that delete the user with this particular email. So for that, we are using the command delete from followed by the table name that we have given. After that, to view, we are using the command select star from the name that we have given to the table. In this case, which is user underscore 7128. So we are gonna create an entirely new table, which is which for that we are using the command insert into followed by the table name that we have given and the attributes. So the table has been created successfully because one row created is printed. And to view that, we are using the command select star again. So to update the description of the event, we are using the command update followed by the table name and the attributes that we have to update. So next thing we are going to do is we are going to give the privilege to the user. So whoever the user needs the privilege, we give that user the particular privilege. So he can edit or delete or do the manipulation tasks. So here we are giving the select privilege to the user. Next, we are going to revoke the privilege that we have given to someone already. So for that, we have entering the command grant insert on event. After that, giving the grant successfully, we are going to revoke whatever the grant we have given. Next thing is that we are going to create a new user and the username is Jane and we are going to give all the privileges. So after giving all the privileges, as you can see, we are using the command grant connect to see hashtag Gene. So it printed grant succeeded. This means that the privilege has been successfully given to the Jane. So the next thing is we have already given the authorization permission to Jane. So that user can perform the update or operation on the ticket table. So the ticket is the table name that we have given. So he can the user can give the updation to this. So again, we are gonna perform the updation operation. Next thing is that we are going to do a transaction in the database. So for that, we are gonna enter the insert into command followed by the uh, table name that we have given and the attributes. So here it has been successfully created. So in order to view this, we are using the command select star from the table name again. So we are going to perform the rollback. Rollback means there is certain points where we save the data. So whatever happens to the data, we can roll back to the previous session. So this has been done here. For that, we are entering the command save point and name. And to go back, we are going to enter the rollback. So again, we are going to perform a save point. Then we are going to truncate the event table. Truncate means it removes the data but keeps the structure there itself. So this has been truncated. So at last we are gonna remove everything that we have created. For that, we are entering the command drop and followed by the table name that we have to drop.